you are more than welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to slip a stitch both knitwise and purlwise, because there is a difference. So without further ado, to slip one knitwise, put your needle through from the front to the back as if to knit, and don't knit it, just slip it from the left to the right needle. And there we have it. Let's knit the next one. And if we want to slip it again, as if to knit, needle through front to the back, but don't put your yarn round, just slip it over to the right hand needle. Now to show you slipping one purlwise, the clue's in the name. Okay, needle in a downwards motion as if to purl through the front of the stitch, and then don't purl, slip it over to the right hand needle. Okay, let's purl the next stitch and then do that again. Take a look at your instructions as well for where your yarn is meant to be, or just have a good think. So let's pretend this is the front of the work, then we wouldn't want our yarn visible when we're slipping. So put that to the back and then you can still slip purlwise, like that. Well, nice and quick for you today. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and please do give us the like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you.